Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my December 2021 Witch's Moon box. I know it's late, but I get so busy. Let's see what we got. Remembered and Reborn with some holly. Lovely. Tasseomancy, so tea leaves. Oh, a Yule Blessing. So that's really lovely. I love, 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 love the art. So let's see what we got here. A beautiful card. Become a shapeshifter. Good, good. What's the name of the actual theme of this box? A Yuletide Destiny. So let's kind of arrange ourselves a bit better so that I can have all of these items ready to go. Winter Blessings. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Definitely anisey. Mulling spices I absolutely love, and I use to pieces because I love mulled cider. See what our oil is here. Yule oil. Smell it. Ooh, now this smells good. This smells like a yummy Christmas candle. We got a tea bag. We got a Winter's Prophecy ritual tea. We've got some Yule cinnamon. Oh, smells good. That's incense. We've got a green candle. Just plain green. Alright, let's open this box here and see what we got. It's a teacup. What symbols in it? Zodiac and planetary with an eye in the middle. It's nice and shallow. Very cool. Got a little tiny spoon. Cute. Alright. Let's check it out. As we journey towards Yule and the winter solstice, we slow down to celebrate and enjoy the time we have with friends, family, and acquaintances. During this time, we relax, appreciate, and ponder, allowing our minds and spirit to find meaning and purpose in what has been gifted to us during these dark months. Within the long and mysterious nights, we delve into the symbols of our destiny. We find comfort in the knowledge we have gained and the light that is soon to be born again. In this truly special collection, we finally reveal an exclusive project we have been working on for almost 2 years. Within these celebratory and meaningful items, we offer a sense of comfort and a unique tool that is sure to bring insights into the path ahead. Exclusive Divination Teacup by the Witch's Moon. Please know that you will find the saucer to your set underneath the teacup padding. Oh! Lovely. So there's a saucer. We've got some snakes and some kind of sigil here. Very pretty. The box that this set is placed in has been made specifically for this box, keeping your teacup safe when not in use. In addition, a spoon has been included for when you simply want to enjoy a relaxing cup of tea. Tea leaf reading, or tasseomancy, has an absorbent amount of information tied to its uses, interpretation, and general procedure. We strongly encourage you to further find information related to this unique form of divination, as this practice can be a fun and truly enjoyable tool at your disposals. Let's see. And they describe it a little bit. The Tasseomancy Book of Shadows artwork, which is this. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Which is this one. the Winter's Prophecy Ritual Herbal Tea and Muslin Bag. The Yule Blessing Book of Shadows artwork. I will say about the tea. The tea is black tea, orange peel, and cinnamon. So there's this gratitude and growth spell candle. And this is the spell that goes with it. The spell candle has pine and cinnamon oils rolled into this candle. The Yule Magical Anointing Oil, Hope, Renewal, and Gratitude. And it is anise, clove, pine, and cedar wood with mistletoe herb. Lumarian quartz and renewal magical oil from their personal cabinet of witchery. Winter Blessings Ritual Salt. Basil, sweet, orange, and spearmint oils, as well as spearmint, rosemary, lemon balm, bay, basil, linden leaf, eucalyptus, blackberry, mistletoe, and laduro root with winter forest magical oil. Golden bough, which is the mistletoe. Oh. I just realized I don't have an herb. I must have left it in the box. Yes, I did. Okay. Funny story, I actually have a ton of mistletoe. A ton. It grows, it's a parasite. So yes, I have the golden bough. I have mistletoe. Mulling spice blend. I absolutely love it. Orange peel, allspice, cloves, and cinnamon. Yummy. The Yule cinnamon ritual incense sticks. They smell delicious. A personalized oracle reading from The Messenger Oracle by Ray Van Phelan. It's pretty. And then, of course, parchment paper. So, as always, I absolutely love the box. I love the very unique items that they have and just the broad range of things that you could try. It's always a pleasure. I highly recommend them to you. I've been getting this box for years at this point, and they never cease to have something new or different in each of their boxes, so you can get them for quite some time. And I've never had anything different, honestly, or I'm sorry, never had anything repetitious. They do have a formula for their boxes, so you're almost always going to get a salt, a candle, an oil, some herbs, some incense, and then, you know, various large items with some beautiful artwork, parchment paper, and some insert. But they're pretty explicit about that on their website when you sign up. So I'm going to leave the description for this below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.